Alright, so trade recap for yesterday, so Monday. The 4 hour structure going into market open was bearish. We hadn't closed above this high yet. So we're looking for high time frame points of interest to get hit, then go lower. We had this 4 hour imbalance. I'm actually going to change to a rectangle. I just don't have rectangles on my phone. But we had this 4 hour imbalance. And we also had marked out these 4 hour highs when you get swept before going lower, and also on the hourly, those highs there pretty much. You want to see get swept out. So our strategy tells us to long up to high time frame points of interest and then move lower. We also had this daily imbalance drew out and daily equilibrium drew out from up here to down here. And then it was pretty stupid for me today, well yesterday. So on hourly 2, obviously you want to move lower. Where do you want to move lower to? This hourly imbalance and hourly equilibrium. I think it was from this low up to the high before market open, I'm pretty sure. That's what it would have been. The high before market open, whatever that was. It might be there. Yeah, somewhere the highest point for market open. So, we want to catch longs up to high time points of interest, this hourly high, 4 hour imbalance, and then come down to here and hourly lows down here. So, market opened and we got a move down, swept out low level liquidity, what we want to see, and then we invalidated this imbalance and broke 1 minute structure, and I entered purely off that, even though we're already in this 4 hour imbalance. What I could have done differently just here on this trade itself was wait for extra confirmation on this imbalance here to come down, get filled, enter off a reaction there, stops like that, or probably the same place really, and then target just top of the imbalance, and that would have been a much better trade. But I rushed the entry, and then I couldn't take profit here because I wanted to, but I couldn't because it was negative RR. And then we got, I closed my position here because the bus for the airport transfer came. So we lost like $80 on that one. And then we were just chopping it up really. We can get rid of that, and that, and that. So we come up, we sweep out these hourly highs, fill this 4 hour imbalance, and then this second trade here, I sort of just took for the lows. I don't really know why. I was in the airport waiting in the queue, and I just wanted to trade really. So I literally just saw this imbalance get filled, entered off the reaction, just targeting some 15-minute highs over there, and then we got stopped out and lost a bit more. I think yesterday we lost $130 total. We're sitting at just below 1% on the funded account on Top Step. And yeah, but overall we can see so our strategy actually played out perfectly here. We swept out, let's delete that for some reason. We swept out low level liquidity, and we would have caught a long if we were patient enough up to our high time frame points of interest off this imbalance to the top of the imbalance. And then what we should have done really is wait for a 5-minute break of structure. Didn't get one, didn't get one, didn't get one. Got a 5-minute break of structure there. And once that 5-minute break of structure, we go on to the 1 minute. We have a big imbalance. We get filled. We have equilibrium. Doesn't get tapped into. But this is pretty heavy rejection. These big wicks up. So whether we would have took a short here, who knows? I'll stop just anywhere with the imbalance and then target that green line down there. So our strategy would have played out perfectly. So we came into that hourly equilibrium, filled the hourly imbalance, and then moved higher. But we were rushing entries, rushing trades for the sake of trading because we were just on our phone in the airport queue and stuff. But I'm now home and I can finally focus on properly trading. That is a trade recap for yesterday, a market recap for last Tuesday and last Wednesday will be out soon. And a trade recap if I trade today as well. So, that is a trade recap for yesterday. I will see you in the next one.